Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. This week I found some more goodies that I could not leave behind. So let me show you what I found at the Dollar Tree. Let's start with these. Look at this. This is a wall hanging sign. Just adorable. First of all, I love the colors that they chose. And look at this sign. Welcome bees and butterflies. Adorable. So you get a butterfly, a bee, another butterfly, and a bee. And the butterflies are different colors. Look at that. Adorable. I'm glad to have picked this up. I picked up 2 of these. And then I also picked up 2 of these. Look at this one. Plant one on me. Cute. These you get it looks like a hibiscus. Look at that. And then you get the water can. Adorable. I love these colors. And then the one more. There's this one here. And I also picked up 2 of these. This says live life in full bloom. Just cute. And these are all the flowers that come with it. Just cute. I like them. And I did pick up 2 each of all the signs. So let me move these aside. And then next I picked up this pattern. It is by Simplicity. But it is it's in the Crafter Square section. It is a tote sewing project, and I want to use this. It is designed and printed in the USA, so look at this. It seems to be like a very simple to follow project, so I want to try that. Let me move that aside. And speaking of totes, look at all the fabrics I picked up. I just love these colors. They're like so vintagey colors, right? Look at that. Just fantastic. Let me just show you very quickly what these fabrics look like. Look at this. So all these fabrics here, they're kind of like all farmhouse colors, right? I thought so. It's just fantastic. I'm quite happy I found those. And then I found the bamboo rings. Look at this. I've been waiting quite a while for these. So I picked up 4 packages, and you get 2 rings in each package. You get a 7.8 and a 5.9. And next, I picked up these planners. This is a 2020 monthly page format, this is. I picked it up because look at this. It's again with the farmhouse theme. It has the rooster and it also has a little notey thing. I picked up 4 packages. And let me open this right quick so we can take a look. I like this. Look at these patterns on here. Really cute, right? So I can take, well, my plan is to take these off of here. And I will probably remove the calendars and use it in another project also. But I like this. It is so farmhousey. You get just adorable. So yeah, I picked up 4 of these. And on with the farmhouse theme, look at these. I found some stencils. So they had this. This one says Farm Fresh established 1905. It is a flexible stencil. They also had this one, Farmers Market Local Fresh. And then there's this one, It's Good to Be Home, Wash and Dry. And the last one is Our Story, Farmhouse, the Best Things. Next, I picked up 2 more of these frames. These are 4 by 6, and I really like the frame on this. That's why I picked up 2 more. See, it is a white distress or crackling paint weathered look. Really cute. So 2 of those. And then I picked up 2 more of these vase fillers. I found it in the cream color with the iridescent top. I told myself I only needed 1 bag initially, and now I realize I need more than 1 bag. I am on the hunt for the silver one now. And then I also picked up 3 bags of these acrylic gems. And this is 3.45 ounces. And that's what they look like. Look at that. They're big diamonds. See there? How cute is that? And they're clear. I like that they did not paint the backing on that. So I have that. And then next, I picked up some eyelashes. I found the eyelashes again. I found the blue and the purple. So I picked up 3 each. And let me show you the purple one. Look at this. How cute is that? It has silver metallic threading through the lashes. Here's the blue one. And then the blue one has blue metallic lash. Really cute. And of course these eyelashes, the kit comes with its own glue. And while I was picking up lashes, I went ahead and picked up 1 more of the orange one and 1 more of the silver one. This way I have them on hand when I need them. I also picked up this plate. This plate is about 7.5 inches. It is a salad plate, and it's just that sagey color. I also picked these up. I picked up 3 each of the patterns. So let's see. Let me see what I have. I have the anchor and the crowns. So here is the one with the crown. So you get a crown, you get a puffy cloud, butterflies, a mushroom, flowers, a bird, an owl, hearts, and a leaf. How cute, right? Just from looking in there, it looks to have, well, you know what? Instead of me guessing, let me just open it. Because it does not say on the outside of the package what the, oops, what the quantities are. So it looks like you get 4 of each image. Look at that. And then this one I also picked up. Now this one has the anchor, the car, a bicycle, a house, a talk, eyeglasses, camera, a star, and a music note. Look at that. Cute, right? So 3 packages of these I picked up. Look at this. I picked up some headbands. I would like to make some bees. So this is going to be part of that project. I will be using the antenna and the wings off this headband, and I will be refashioning my own. Oh look, it says complete the set. I will have to go back and check another store. So it comes, the kit comes in with a headband. You can get wings and you can get a skirt. I was thinking to use my own yellow and black pattern fabric, but if I can find a wing and the skirt, I can use those to make my bees. I hope I find it. So I picked up 3 because I plan to make 3 bees. So there. And then I found this tool here. This is a cobweb duster. Look at that. The bristles are quite sturdy, so which is good. So you will need a handle though. Let me see, because it has an insert. I wonder. Oh yeah, down in about halfway down is where the threading is, so you can insert the handle in there and screw that on. And that is just for decoration. So I picked up one of these. I want to give it a try. We'll see how well that works out. Let's see. And then I found these. Look at this. These are silicone bag lights. They come in different colors. I believe 4 colors, but I picked it up in the gray and the clear. And let me see. I don't remember if it test lights. Yeah. Can you see? So like it flashes too. So you can hang it on your bag just like the picture says. Or you can wear it as a, it looks like you can wear it as a watch too. Let me open this too. I picked up 1 each in these colors here. Let me see. Look, this is what it looks like. This is the band, so you attach it to whatever you need, and then put this little piece back through the slot there, so it hangs off your bag like that. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I thought this would be a cute addition to add to like my trick-or-treat bags. You know, when my trick-or-treaters come, I can give them one of these if they like. But now that I open this one, I will keep this for myself. I will go back and get some more. But I think that'll be really cute, right? You know, trick-or-treaters need the safety at nighttime too. So, and then I picked up some big bags of mini Chips Ahoy. I need this for work. That is my story, and I'm sticking to that. The last items I picked up are these here, and these are stickers. I picked up 3 of these here, and then these go with the nautical theme and all the shore living that Dollar Tree has right now. Look at this, how cute, right? I like it. And they are pop-up stickers, and you get 9 pieces in them. And then the last ones I picked up are these. And these you get 11 pieces. They are also pop-up stickers, and they are both by Crafter Square. Now this one you get you get glitter with this one. I don't know how well the glitter will stay on, but it comes with like iridescent glitter on the stickers itself. But they are really cute though. I really like them. Very cute. So that is my Dollar Tree haul for this week, everyone. I hope you enjoyed watching my haul today. I hope I was able to show you maybe a fabric or two that you will want to pick up at your Dollar Tree on your next visit. Really cute. I love all these. And I hope that I find the rest of the kit that goes with the headband. It'll be wonderful if I can find the wings and the skirt. Because when I did pick up the headband, they didn't have these other two in stock. So I will go take a trip to another store and see if they have it also. That'll be wonderful. Because I have planned to, go dig in my fabric box and see if I have what I need. And if I can find a matching set, that'll be even better. And I'm looking forward to making a tote. Just wonderful. Wonderful ideas ahead of me in my near future. And I will put these eyelashes to use. Well, I had fun at my Dollar Tree this week, and I will be going back again. And I hope you will join me again. Well, thank you for stopping by to watch my Dollar Tree haul today. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.